guys, today I'm going to be, so basically what I'm doing is my sister is going to hand me any squishy that we have. And we've only got, I don't know how many squishies we've got. We've got 4 squishies. My sister just showed me that, by the way, but not the squishy. She just did this. So, yeah. And this is my blindfold that I'm going to be wearing. So what I have to do basically is she hands me a squishy, I put this on, so she tells me when to put it on. When I put it on, when I like done this, when I close my eyes like that means I pick one. No, I don't pick one. I just feel it and then I have to try and guess which one it is. So, yeah. So what I'm doing is my sister's going to tell me when to put my blindfold on. When am I going to put my blindfold on?
Now.
Okay, I'm putting it on now. So. And I definitely can't see. Look, like my eyes are actually closed, look. Closed. Okay. Okay.
So this is what I'm going to be giving her. Whoops. This is what I'm giving her. And you have to describe it, okay? Describe it, okay?
What? So, try and guess what it feels like.
Yeah, what it's got on it and stuff, okay? This is what second one is, okay? Open your hands.
This one's super easy. Okay, so, I'm just going to describe it first and then I'm going to say what I think it is. So, it's got rainbow on the side. Is that right?
Yes, you're right.
And on the top, there's spots.
Yes.
On the bottom, it's completely white.
Yes.
On the side, it's white.
Yes.
And here, there's lines going like that.
Yes.
Okay. I think this is a cake. Am I right? Can I see?
Yes, you're right.
Yeah, I'm right.
So 1 point for her.
So here's the cake.
1 point for her.
I got the cake.
1 point for her.
Cakey. Oh, and if you haven't seen my other video, this was in it. Yeah. And I'm gonna put this over here. So, okay.
Put your blindfold on again.
Put my blindfold on. Wait, is it upside down? Okay. Bye-bye.
And now I'm going to be giving her this one.
Okay, just put it on the floor here. So I can feel it.
Okay.
Tell me when
This one, okay?
on the floor.
It's on the floor.
Oh. This is either the tooth or the strawberry. Wait. It's got this like the tooth has, so I'm not sure. So, is it rainbow?
Are you sure it's rainbow?
Wait, is it white?
No.
Has it got something blue going on? I think it's the tooth.
No, it isn't.
It's the tooth. Can I see?
Yeah. You got it wrong.
Right. Wait, I'm changing my mind.
You get one more guess.
I think it is the strawberry.
Yes.
Can I see?
You got 2 more points. 2 more points.
Two.
One.
Oh, and I've got 2 more squishies to feel. I think. Yeah, 4.
2 more.
So I've seen 2. And now we've got 3 left. So, here are all the squishies left. Oh, this is the squishy. And this is the cake.
Okay, put your blindfold in again.
1,
I'm
2,
gonna
3.
be-
Bye-bye.
Here you go. I'm going to place it on the floor and you have to try and find it.
Okay.
Put it on the floor. Hey, that's me. Stop.
Ew, what is that? Oh, it's here. I found it. Is this it?
Yeah.
Okay, so here it is.
Mm.
So, really smooth. Gonna squeeze it. It's really foamy and squishy. I think this is definitely, I know what it is.
What?
Can I just say it or do I have to describe it?
You have to describe it first.
Okay.
And then you can say it.
Okay. It's white.
Yes.
It's got something blue going around the top of it.
Yes.
And it's got a really cute face. That's black.
Yes.
And a tiny smile and it's
Yes.
got 2 eyes.
Yes.
Can I see? I think it is
The.
tooth.
Yes, you're right.
Tooth. Now let me see. It is the tooth. Okay. Right. I'm just going to show you all my squishies. So here they all are. Here they all are.
Properly. There.
So there they are. And I've got one more. So I'm going to put my blindfold on. And this one has to be quick because I don't want it to be too long. And there's probably only one more left. And I think I know what it is already.
Oh, she's got 3 points.
There's only one more left because I think I already know what the last one is. Can I just say it? And I'll show it to you.
Okay.
It is a burger. I knew it. Because there's only a strawberry, a cake,
Show them the burger
and
so
the
you
cheese.
can see
So,
them.
here's the burger. 2 ears and the back bottom side.
It's a cat burger.
Oh, and I'm going to do a little wrap. Okay. Squishies are the best. Squishies are the best. Squishies are the best. Squishies are the best. They're squeezy. They're squeezy. I really like them. Look how slow rising they are. Look how slow rising they are. Getting showered by squishies. It's so much fun, but I don't think I like only one. I've only got four here, so I'm gonna share it with all my chia. I've got loads here, and I like them. I've got a strawberry, a tooth, and I've got another one. All my others are very neat. I really think it complete. I like them so much. They're very fun and squeezable. Bye. Oh, and remember to subscribe. Oh, and comment down below which squishy was your best one.
And comment down below if you like a wrap.
Yeah, and comment down below if you like my rap and if you can do better. And if you're a YouTuber, show me on a YouTube video. And if you actually are a YouTuber, you do a rap about squishies on YouTube, on your YouTube channel. Okay, bye. Oh, and remember to subscribe and hit the bell and like button and comment down below anything you like where'd you get these squishies from and all that stuff. Yeah, and I've got one over there. And squishies are the best. Squishies are the best. Bye.